Getting ready to take Willow to the doctor. He hasn't been feeling so good. He's not eating and kind of moping around, so we're gonna see what the doctor says. Hopefully they can fix him up or give him some ideas, give us some ideas on how to get some food in him. He's so cute. Willow is a 14-year-old Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, and he is the sweetest dog. He's a huge part of our family, as y'all probably already know if you've been watching the videos. I'm amazed at how different things are since COVID, some good and some bad, but the amount of increased service provided amazes me. Of course, I'd rather be inside with him and the doctor, but the fact that they come out and stand in the hot sun to talk to you while you sit in the comfort of your car, and this applies to picking up food from takeout and things like that as well, but I'm just impressed with how businesses have really stepped up to serve their customers, all while trying to keep everyone safe. They've always been so good to Willow here at this vet. He's been coming here since he was a baby, and he is boarded here too when we can't take him with us on vacation. They've always been super. They always greet him with love, and he always wags his tail and gets excited even if it's time to get his shots. We did get the hard news today that our sweet boy is at the end of life with some liver problems and clear fluid throughout his abdomen, among some other issues. So they gave him some medicine, and we can love on him a few more days or weeks, whatever God chooses to give us. We're trying to focus on the many blessings that we have in this situation, one being that we are working from home and we're able to spend this extra time with him, another being that we even have this opportunity to give him some extra love and have this time here at the end, as so many people don't have that opportunity. So we're trying to focus on the good, but it'll be very hard to say goodbye when the time comes. He hasn't been eating good, so we've been trying to hand feed him, and at a certain point he just doesn't want any more, which, if you know him from other videos, this boy loves to eat and gets really excited about food, so this is just not like him. It's now Friday morning, October 2nd, and Willow has got that medicine in him, and he is feeling a little bit better. I think he's, hungrier. They did give him an appetite stimulant, so he's hungrier, he's wagging his tail, he's getting around good, so we're thankful for that. Good babies! Good babies! But we were able to put the pills in some canned pumpkin, which the vet recommended, and he did enjoy that, and I used my fingers so I could make sure he ate all the pills and didn't somehow leave it behind.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then.
Y'all know how much I love my dish soap. I use this dish soap and water concoction to clean the granite countertops and also our dining room table. Anything where it's like a gentle clean is needed. I don't want to use anything too harsh, and it's time to refill it, so I just want to show you how I do that. I rinse out the bottle. This is such an old Windex bottle, but it still works, so I'm just gonna keep using it. I fill it up with a slow stream of cool water just because there's still a little soap in there, even though I rinsed it, and I don't want it to bubble up too much. Then I just do a few squirts of dish soap. My favorite is the Blue Dawn, but just use whatever you want, and I tilt it slowly twice, and that's it. I like using this because, to me, it's the same as using like a lightly rinsed out soapy dish rag, but this way my hands aren't wet. I don't really enjoy using like wet rags, so unless I absolutely have to. So I know that may seem weird to some, but I just find this easier to use with a microfiber cloth, and then my hands are dry at the end and I can just go watch some TV.
Hey, I hope you're doing well. I know it's been a while, but you're still in my head. I wonder if you think about me now and then, like I do right now about you. I wish it didn't have to end, but life is what it is and I will try to mend. Though I'm kinda hoping that you feel the same as I do right now, right now. Tell me now, cause I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up to let me know that you liked it. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.